For lots of editors, one of the most time-consuming parts of creating a video is the sound design. From sourcing the sounds themselves to keeping things organized in your timeline, this part of the edit can quickly get out of hand and just bog down the whole process. At FILMPAC, we recognize this, which is why we've created Sonica, a collection of unique, potent sound effects tracks, perfect for trailers and promos. Each of these has multiple layers of sound design, masterfully blended together into a single cinematic track. In fact, we like these tracks so much that we've already used them in several of our recent footage promos. Take a look. Now, I'll show you how to quickly create a cinematic edit using one of Sonica's brand new tracks, Dire. Alright, the goal here is to create a 15-second promo. First thing we're going to do is drop our sound effects track onto our timeline here. And it's a bit too long, so let's take a listen and figure out how we can get it down to 15. Nice. So I think there's a couple points in there where we can clearly sort of speed things up. Right here. And then this last build we don't need, so we're just going to take the very last hit. Perfect. Add a fade there. Our track is ready to go. So I've downloaded a bunch of clips from FILMPAC, and let's see if we can figure out how they fit into this edit. I like this shot to kick things off here. Maybe a little fade at the very beginning. Now this is a cool shot that I think goes well with this guy driving in the car here, but I think we just want to speed it up just a little bit. Ooh. Take it a little bit into the shot. Nice. And we've got a letterbox here, so we'll reframe this shot just a bit. Could even be sped up a touch more. And I like these clouds that are coming up in the very bottom, so I think I'm going to just very quickly before that next hit come in a little closer on him. Yeah, I think that's cool. Yeah, we'll take this shot a little bit farther ahead. I think the camera move there kind of plays nice with the shot coming right before it. And there's like a little noise here leading up to that hit. I think that could be cool to have something else there to kind of address that noise. A little transition shot or something here. We've got like a kind of a book being blown by the wind. We've got this cool cityscape shot here. I think I like when a little bit farther into the shot here. Nice. I feel like we need something just super, almost chaotic in this lead up to the next hit here. I think this shot will work great. We can even speed it up a little bit. I want that hit to hit right when that eye opens. We've got another shot that's going to go great right after that. Nice, and there's kind of like a little bass drop. I think it'd be something cool like fading to black. That's a creepy shot. I think that'll work great. This is where things step up a notch. I want to try to find a clip that sort of matches the intensity. Clips of a guy like silhouetted. Yeah, this is neat. And there's a wide shot of this same scene here that we're going to throw in as well. See if we can't get those to match up. Yeah, that's feeling good. I want to go back to this fire scene here. Just add a little bit of continuity into the edit. So there's 2 hits there. Here we go. I like this shot a lot. And I think it'll be even cooler if we play it backwards. And our last fire shot. Nice, and right here there's another kind of lead up sound. I think we can address that with one of these more abstract shots we have. And I want to do a speed ramp here on this clock. Just to really push us into this next cut here. It's looking good. We've got like a close-up shot of Goosebumps that I think go the same direction as that clock hand was going. Yeah, it's looking good. A few more clips to throw in at the end here. Something epic. That's a great shot. I think we're going to speed it up just a touch, get it out of the slow motion, keep the energy up. There's this awesome tight shot here. All right, looking for our last shot here at the very end. I like how it flickers at the end. We could use that to get into the logo. This will be a good spot to get into the shot when it's dark. Throw our logo here at the end. Probably just right over top of that shot. Give us a little fade to ease that cut there. That's feeling really good. I think this flows together real nice, and it's a great way to show off the footage and the sound effects track. And I didn't have to spend hours on my sound design. Sometimes on a tight deadline, it's just so helpful to drop in an audio track and build your edit around that. One of the best things about using these tracks is that there's just no wrong answers. You can be as creative as you want with matching visuals to sounds, and these tracks were crafted specifically to help jumpstart your creativity and inspire new ideas.